Okay, so I'm gonna show you how to farm with Banker. Alright, so first thing you need to do is you need to have Tronlink. Now you can either download this for your Android or your PC. We'll get the Chrome extension. Alright. And I use Brave. If you use Chrome, you click Add to Chrome. I use Brave. Add extension. Okay, it has been added. Right. Full access. Change permissions on the site. So there we go. We got Tronlink right there. Got it. Now you can either start a new wallet, or if you already have one, of course, you know, you already been past this part and you have your Tronlink wallet. Next step, you'll need to put in a password. Make sure you remember this password, because see here, remember the password. You can't retrieve it if you forget it. So make sure you put in a password that you will remember, because you cannot retrieve it. Oops. And then continue. Alright, so you can create, like I said, create a new wallet, or you can restore. Recommended for users with existing Tron accounts. Now, I already have a Tron account, or a Tron wallet, so I am going to use the restore. Okay, so once you've restored your Tronlink account to the PC, or created a new one, you will then go to the Bankroll farm. Alright, so bankroll.network/farm, and once you come here, you can click here because it's gonna go somewhere else first, and you just click farm, and it will take you to this page. I'm not gonna click it again because it takes quite a bit to load sometimes. So as you can see, I'm already farming some here. I could claim, but I'm not showing you how to claim yet. I'm showing you how to farm. So if you still don't have any Banker and you have some TRX, you can go to the side here and click swap. Once you're in there, you can swap out your TRX for some Banker. You're going to need both to farm with. You're always going to need some Banker to farm with whatever other currency you're farming with. So let's close this. So basically, you will need Banker to pair with these farms. These are the farms available. So we have wrapped TRX, we have BTC, USDT, Sun, KLV, JST, Win, USDJ, wrapped BTT, Seed, HT, DICE, DICE. So once you have one of these and some Banker, you're ready to farm. So I have some TRX. I want to farm 3,000 of my TRX. So I have 3,283. I'm going to keep some. I always keep some in my wallet. Of course, you always freeze some as well so that you have energy, because you're going to need some for Stronghold, which I'll talk about later in another video. So for now, I want to farm with TRX. So I need some rep TRX, and I don't think I have any, so I need to get some. So very simple, they make it easy for you. Click here, get WTRX. So very simple, 3,000, you click here, and the bottom says you will get 3,000 WTRX. Confirm. Click confirm. Another way you can swap your TRX for some wrapped TRX is you can use just swap. So same idea, 3,000. Oh, make sure you select a token here. So select a token, going for some wrapped TRX. This one, you have to pay a liquidity provider fee of 9 TRX and 26%. So you're not going to get 3,000 exactly back from using just swap. So I used this the first couple times, and then I started using this because you just get the same back. I don't want to pay a fee. So once you do that, you just click swap down here, and you will have some WTRX ready to farm with. Once your swap is confirmed, you can go back to the Bankroll page, go to your farm, and select the WTRX Banker Saver Pool. And you click select. And since I've already approved this, I can start depositing right away. If you haven't approved this yet, you're going to have an approve button here. Type in your password, approve, approve, approve. And then once you're ready, you open it back up, select, and then you click deposit. And I wanted to deposit 3,000 because that's how much I switched over. 3,000. And it will tell you right here, estimate 226.208 banker is required to stake. So you can, like, if you want to find out how much banker you would need, it's just a simpler way than doing math. You know, you can type in whatever you want. 45,000. Let's see if I would need this 3,388 banker to stake. So, but I don't have that much. So I am going to deposit 3,000. Deposit 3,000. I have already 394 banker here, so 226 of that 0.208 is going to be withdrawn from my banker deposited into this pool at the same time. So I will click deposit. I will accept, close. You can try, you can view it, see if it's, you know, it's confirmed. Always make sure you have, like I said, some energy in your Tronlink always. So keep some TRX. Because like I said, I'm gonna explain to you about a stronghold later, which you will, you know, you can make some gains with as well here on Bankroll, which I recommend. So yeah, all done now. You've deposited, and now you just watch that money go up. You will start getting dividends. And once your dividends go up, you just click claim, deposit, rinse, repeat. Always reinvest. Some people suggest, you know, you can claim and do like an 8-to-2 ratio. So like put 80% back into your farming, and then put like 20% into stronghold, which is another part of Bankroll, the Bankroll family, which I'll show you about in my next video. So if you like my video, come back for the next one, and don't forget to check out the links below There'll be a link there for the Tronlink, for the Bankroll, for the Brave browser, which I recommend you getting because once you use Brave, you will not go back to Chrome again. So yeah, check out the links and happy farming.